Okay, hello everyone. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create free shipping option in your WooCommerce store. So for example, if someone were to come to this sample WooCommerce store and they add in, let's say, 2 items, add to cart, and they go to checkout, and it costs 2 boxes of these bars will cost $60 and plus a $10 shipping fee. So total will be $70. So what I want to do is that I want to add a free shipping method so that whenever the subtotal is more than $50, you will have a free shipping available. Okay, so I will go to the back end of the WooCommerce. So let's go to WooCommerce and then go to settings. And once you come to the settings page, click on shipping over here. And on the shipping, you need to add in a zone name. So for example, I've already added in a zone name called SG. Currently, it has a flat rate. So let's edit this. So after you click it in, currently there's only one shipping method which is flat rate. I will let you see what it is. So flat rate means for any order you would add a $10 shipping fee. So that's how it works. So we are going to add a free shipping. So add shipping method, select free shipping and click continue. So the name is free shipping. Free shipping requires, normally I would say, a minimum order amount or coupon. Okay, so this is a selection I do. The minimum order amount I will put in as $50. Okay, and I will click create and save. So this means that it is already a free shipping method. So let's go back to my store. And now I do a refresh. And when I scroll down, you'll notice that the $10 flat rate fee is still here. But if you scroll down further, you can see that under the page, there is a section called shipping option. So there's a flat rate, there's a free shipping. So when you click on free shipping and you move up, you can see that it changes to free shipping and the total now has been reduced to $60. So what if you want a free shipping method to be automatically selected? You don't want the flat rate to be automatically selected. So the way is that I will teach you a tip. You need to come in here to your setting, shipping methods, and rearrange a priority. So you need to drag this free shipping method above the flat rate. So this means that WooCommerce will give this free shipping a priority over the flat rate. So if these two are made available, it will show free shipping first. So let's save changes. Okay, I will show you a live example. Let's remove this item from the cart. Remove item. Okay, and let's add in other item, for example. So we'll add this item. $20. So I will order 4, add to cart, and I click checkout. So now I scroll down, you can see that free shipping automatically show here already. It doesn't show you the flat rate. So flat rate is a second option. So this is how you can configure free shipping, and this is a nice tip for you. Hopefully you'll find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. Thank you.